Hello everyone, Teacher Teresa, the creative moderator who brings you your Thursday tips. Today, instead of a tip, I'm here to announce that we are going to be having a cooking competition. You can upload 3 to 4 minute videos of yourself making a traditional Chinese dish. Along the bottom of this video, in the comments section, I will post the rules for the competition and any more important details that you need to have. The best thing that I want to talk to you about now is the prizes! Prizes, everybody loves prizes. So the runner-ups will receive dino keychains. We'll have 2 dino keychains, and our top prize will go to one teacher. And I have a Cricut at home, so I made a VIPKID letters to go on the t-shirt, and after we have an actual winner, I will personalize it with that teacher's name as well. So I need to iron those on. I didn't do that yet, but I do have the letters cut out and ready to go, and I look forward to seeing all of your videos. You'll have from now until the middle of February to prepare for this event. We will have the actual contest the week after February, so I will post a specific date. It'll be a Thursday, since that's usually when I do my Thursday tips. So I thought it would be nice if you actually uploaded your videos on a Thursday. So whatever the Thursday is that comes after Valentine's Day, I haven't looked at the calendar yet, that will be your video uploading day. And I look forward to seeing all of your wonderful cooking. It's going to be authentic Chinese dishes, and you will have to cook and prepare it and serve it to a family member or friends so that we can see their reactions and how well that goes over. Looking forward to it, everybody. See you later. Bye.